Good afternoon and welcome to Roger Williams University. My name is Ann Mitchell. I am the Director for Health Services and one of the staff nurse practitioners. This webinar is intended to serve as a tutorial for how to access the health forms that all full-time incoming students are required to submit. All health forms must be submitted electronically using the Health Services Patient Portal. Please do not email, fax, or mail the forms to us. The deadline to submit the health forms and a current immunizations record is June 15th. All required health forms are located on the Health Services Patient Portal. To access the portal, students will log into Roger Central. Select Academics from the menu bar on the left. Select Student Planning. Select Health Services Patient Portal. That will bring you to the home page of the patient portal, which does provide explanation to students on how to fill out the forms and which forms to fill out. Once you click on Forms on the top menu bar, it will bring you to the forms that you are required to fill out. The first three forms, the emergency contact and consent for medical treatment, immunizations form, and physical exam form, are forms that need to be printed out, completed, and then uploaded under the Upload tab here in the portal. Please note that the immunizations form is a form that we provide from the Rhode Island Department of Health. If you have your own immunizations record from your provider, you can certainly use that immunizations record. You do not have to have the immunizations transcribed onto the form that's provided here in the portal. Please ensure that the primary care provider or pediatrician's information is on any immunizations record that you do submit. The bottom two forms, health history and TB risk screening form, are forms that are submitted electronically. Please note that the TB risk screening form is extremely important. Based on the screening form answers will indicate if a tuberculin skin test or a PPD test is needed in addition to complete the screening. If an immunizations record is not available, students have to provide proof of immunity, and this can be done by either showing documentation, say for example, chickenpox, that a student had chickenpox as a young child. If they can provide documentation from the medical provider on the date that they had chickenpox, that will suffice. Otherwise, a blood test called a titer can be done for most immunizations. And then once you get the titer result back, a positive titer would show that they had immunity because of being vaccinated previously. You would need to submit that documentation of a positive titer into the patient portal in the upload section. Physical exams are required. They do not have to be a current exam. As long as the physical exam has been done in the previous year, we will accept that. I bring attention to the top menu bar again. In addition to the forms, the other two buttons that are going to be important for you to complete your health form requirements is the immunization button and the upload button. So for immunizations, there's two requirements. One is to upload your current immunizations record into this upload tab. The other is to manually input the dates for your immunization in the immunization module, which is this tab here. To upload the form, once you click on the upload button, it will give you some instructions and tell you what type of file is acceptable to be uploaded. If you scroll down to the bottom, it will give you documents available to be uploaded, and you would just upload the physical exam form by clicking or selecting the physical exam form. If it's an immunization, you would upload under the immunization record. If it's a titer, you would upload under the titer. Health Services staff will track health forms over the summer and will send students weekly email notification to inform them of any missing forms or immunizations. If required documents are not received by August, or a student is non-compliant with Rhode Island state immunization requirements, a registration hold will be placed on student accounts. The hold will be released once the requirements have been met. We appreciate your prompt attention to submitting the health form requirements by June 15th, and we look forward to serving students' health and wellness needs here at Roger Williams University.